We're tackling the PRINCE2 process model, specifically focusing on how the 7 processes connect and interact, which is a critical area for your exam. The entire life cycle is driven by a series of triggers, inputs, and outputs that you must understand. It all begins with the starting up a project, or SU, process. This is the pre-project step triggered by a project mandate. SU's key outputs are the project brief and the initiation stage plan. The project manager submits these to the project board with a request to initiate the project. This request is the specific trigger for the directing a project, or DP, process. The DP process is the domain of the project board, which operates throughout the entire project to provide oversight and make key decisions. Their first major decision using the DP process is to authorize initiation. This authorization is the trigger that formally begins the initiating a project, or IP, process. During IP, the project manager develops the detailed project initiation documentation, or PID, which includes the full business case and project plan. Once the PID is assembled, the project manager requests project authorization from the board. The board, again using the DP process, reviews the PID and decides whether to authorize the project itself. Once authorized, the project moves into its delivery stages. Here, a crucial interaction occurs. The project manager uses the controlling a stage, or CS, process for day-to-day management, including authorizing work packages. These work packages are then passed to the team manager, who uses the managing product delivery, or MP, process to create the specialist products. A common exam trap is confusing the perspectives of CS and MP. The exam will test your understanding that CS is the project manager's control process, while MP is the team manager's delivery process. They run in parallel during a stage. The project manager reviews progress through checkpoint reports from the team manager. As a stage nears its end, the project manager triggers the Managing a Stage Boundary, or SB, process. Using SB, the PM prepares an end-stage report, updates the overall project plan and business case, and creates a plan for the next stage. This information is vital for the project board, which, within the DP process, holds an end-stage assessment to review progress and approve the next stage plan, ensuring the project remains viable. This cycle of CS, MP, and SB continues for every delivery stage. When the final stage is concluding, instead of triggering SB, the project manager initiates the closing a project, or CP, process. This can be a planned closure or a premature one ordered by the board. In CP, the PM confirms user acceptance, ensures products are handed over, and evaluates the project's performance against its original baseline. The final step is for the PM to recommend project closure to the project board, which then uses its final activity in the DP process to authorize project closure. To remember the core sequence, use this phrase: starting up directs initiation. Then controls managers at stage boundaries before closing. This maps the essential flow from one process to the next. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.